All right, question number 12. 1, 2. Question number 12. It says characteristics of American colonies. So these are the qualities, characteristics, things that we use to group them together. Remember, we had 3 different groups of colonies: the northern, the middle, and the southern colonies, right? The southern colonies, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland. The middle colonies were Delaware, Pennsylvania, New York, and the northern colonies were Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and New Hampshire. So we got 3 characteristics here: resources, climate, and product. It says which characteristic is correctly matched with the number in the table. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And so what we want to do is start plugging in these characteristics into the chart. So if I write indigo up here, does indigo go along with the northern colonies? The northern colonies up there? Remember, indigo is one of these cash crops. It's actually a plant that you grow to make blue dye, right? To dye your blue jeans is indigo. But it's a cash crop grown on plantations in warm weather. Remember, up north, they don't really rely on growing cash crops up there. Choice number 2. They're saying, okay, so moderate goes right here. And so the climate of the middle colonies, okay, they're saying it's moderate. Okay, so the northern colonies would be cold. The southern colonies would be warm. So it makes sense then that the middle colonies would be moderate. So that sounds like that could be it. Look at blank number 3 here, rocky soil. And they've got rocky soil down here in the southern colonies. And if you remember that colonial product map, talking about why they do what they do, where they do, the rocky soil is up north, and down south they've got nice, deep, fertile, moist soil down south. So that doesn't really match up. Right? So indigo didn't match up, rocky soil didn't match up. Number 4, ships. Let me put ships in here, up here in the chart. And if you remember that colonial product map again, the shipbuilding was all going on up north. So this one doesn't fit. So this is a rather straightforward one. If you understand that colonial product map, choice B is the correct answer. B is in baseball.